Hi, this is Gabriel Lipper, and welcome to the Still Life Workshop. I never thought I'd like to paint still lifes, honestly. But once I began really looking at these objects in front of me, I fell in love with them. The subtlety of the shading, the color, the value, the nuance of the way that shapes interact with each other is hypnotizing. So why still life? A lot of us associate still lifes with long hours in an academic setting where we carefully render every line and eventually get to a painting 70 days later. And that's not what we're here to do. I want to put you on the fast track to learning drawing, form, color, and value in a way that's simple and clear. These tools will take you in any direction you want to go. And some of these are things that artists tend to push to the side and hope that they'll learn from osmosis. The main focus of this workshop is to give you the opportunity to see plain objects in front of you in a new and an exciting way. And this is a tool that you'll be able to carry out into the rest of your world. This 2-week workshop walks you through pre-recorded lessons that you can watch at your own pace, and it's followed by a live Q&A where you can ask your questions and get them answered directly, along with some live demos where I can illustrate the intricacies of different techniques that we've discussed. But everything is recorded, so you can work at your own pace from the comfort of your own studio or home for an entire year. This workshop is perfect for mid-level artists and absolute beginners alike. By the end of this workshop, you'll not only have an incredible still life that you painted from the beginning to the end, but you also have the ability to set up your own still lifes and begin creating art done in your style with new principles and techniques that allow you to transform the entire art making process. I hope you're as excited about this workshop as I am, and I can't wait to see you